Hey guys, what's up? It's WolfX23 and today we're going to talk about wires. Wires are very annoying.
So for this week we started recording content for the channel.
Our main audio, just so you know, is coming from the M3.
When you're recording, especially if you're editing by yourself, make sure you talk to the camera. That way you know exactly what you're looking at and it will speed up your editing process.
I gotta say, I definitely love the scuba bag. It's working for what I need. Got my softbox in the shot.
Once I got that episode out of the way, it was finally time for me to put together the gaming chair video.
Wow, this thing is crazy. That is the shot.
Then while I was editing the gaming chair video, I kind of realized that half of my audio clips were gone, and I'm pretty sure I know why.
While I was editing, I started seeing that half of the clips were gone, and the main reason is because of human error. So right now I'm recording with the Deity microphone. You keep it on top of the camera and you just leave it alone. What I kept doing was turning off the microphone so I could save battery, but as you saw, once there was that one point where I forgot to turn on the microphone as well, that's where our issue came in. I looked it up on Google and I found out that the standby time of the Deity microphone is 2,000 hours. Like I said, saving battery is not worth it. So for now on, when I use this microphone, I'm gonna turn it on and that's it. I'm just gonna leave it as is.
What's going on, Eddie? I just want to know how the film is coming out, because I know you had contacted me earlier for the info. So, yeah, if you let me know if the film is ready, if you could send it to me, I could put it up on Instagram and YouTube, because I have a YouTube channel. So just let me know what the update is. All right, I'll talk to you later. Take care.
And Will called me and I found the voicemail just so it did something. It kind of just reminded me of this is what I like about art. Because when it comes to art, I'm all about collaboration. My favorite project was OffTrack.
So anyone want to tell me what happened here?
You guys seen that before. And I had about 9 voice actors. And every step of the process was just amazing. Like trying to direct them and kind of put a voice to these characters that were just drawings.
So the first thing I say is, well, what the hell happened here? So let's think about that for a second.
Do you want me to give you like a brief?
Yeah. Why don't you just read everything that isn't me, and then that'll get me way into it.
I'm gonna read the characters. Do you want me to like summarize?
It's a good feeling to just experience and see your characters come to life.
And 14 found dead, sir.
That's from the State Tragedy Statistics Bureau. You think
so honestly, with this voicemail, it kind of reminded me of, yeah, that's why I do this.
Alright, so we just finished recording, unboxing this. I am tired. I'm gonna transfer the footage first because tomorrow I have to record for Claude, and that's another music video thing that we got going on.
Down across town, living like a rock star. Spend a lot of money on my brand new guitar.
Claude is setting up.
Yep, sir.
The plan is we're gonna use 2 cameras. I'm probably gonna use the GoPro just for behind the scenes. We're gonna use the Ronin SC for the gimbal, and we're gonna try to test out those shots where I'm holding the camera to see how that movement goes. But this room is amazing. We got even speakers on the top. I'm gonna start setting up. We're gonna see the Ronin SC in action.
I want to try it a little bit up, but not super fast. Okay.
I just CGI him.
1, 2, 1, 2, 3. What good is melody? What good is music? If it ain't possessing something sweet.
For anybody who's interested in the Ronin SC, the setup that I was using was the Canon T5i with the Rokinon 85 T1.5 Cine Prime lens. So usually that's a heavy setup, it is not mirrorless, but the Ronin SC handled this like nothing. It was super smooth. I had no issues the whole shoot. So if you're looking around, I would say test it in the store, make sure it works with your setup, but the Ronin SC is a very good alternative because the S is just really big. So I just got home, got my headphones on still, I got my bag on still. So I got 2 SD cards. I shouldn't be running into that stupid problem where it just stops recording automatically. This weekend I'm gonna have to edit what I just shot, but I really have to focus on one song. One song is due this Monday. So I got 2 days to deliver a recording. And yeah, I'm tired. I might as well. I should just sleep. The one thing on my mind is, what are we gonna name these 2 SD cards? This one's gonna be called Maj for Majestiic, because he kind of helped me start this whole gaming side of my career. So this one's for you, Maj. Just so you know, it's 2 different ones. That one's Maj. This one, I'm actually going to dedicate this card to my friend EmillionDollars. I feel like this is the year where we really went hard and we really took this whole thing kind of seriously. Plus, it was his birthday a couple of weeks ago, so it's only right. You gotta have the dollar sign. Whoa, I just realized. You have Maj. And you have $1,000,000. When these 2 meet each other, they hate each other. All they do is talk about how their video is better than the other person's video. And it's just hilarious. In fact, one of these days I have to record it because you guys have to see it. They just look at each other and they're like, gaming's not gonna get you anywhere. And then the other person's like, oh look, volleyball. And it's honestly the funniest arguments ever. I'm just there between them and I'm like, guys, you're both cool, you're both talented, just get together because we could both make awesome videos. But they're like, nah, my video is better, we're gonna do big things. But it's ironic that the first 2 cards I name is after them too. So technically, they're next to each other, right here. This is for you guys. You guys are both awesome. Even though you guys are gonna comment on this video and just talk about how much you hate each other.